Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to install apps on your Galaxy A26, all versions. First, you need to open the Play Store app, and when you open the app, if this option appears saying sign in, it means that you don't have a Google account signed in on your phone yet. So you should click here and sign in with a Google account. For those who don't know, the Google account is the same as your Gmail email account. If you don't have a Gmail email, that is a Google account, on YouTube there are several videos on how to create a Google account, okay? You can create your account, or if you want, you can click here and create an account as well. I will sign in with my account. Enter your email and you will click next. And then on the next screen, we will enter your account password. Enter the password and you will click next. Then you will click this button to continue. We'll scroll down, uncheck this option, and click here to accept. We click this button. Now we will skip this step. It will probably ask for your account password again. You click here on this button to enter the password. And now you must type your account password again. After entering your account password again, you will click this button, okay? And now you will click down here on search, and up here you can write the name of the application that you want to download. I will download Instagram. I will click on the application, and now we click install. If your account is new, it's likely that the first time you go to download an application, it will ask you to enter a credit or debit card. If you're asked for a credit or debit card to download an application, it's not necessary. Read all the options that appear on the screen and select the last option, set up later, or skip this step. You don't need to enter any card or bank information to download free apps. So the download and installation is automatic. You'll just have to wait for the application to download and install. So that was today's video. I hope it helped you. If I helped, don't forget to leave your comment down below. And if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.